This is exercise 2.6, the 1-4-5-7-1 progression. Now you'll notice as you look on page 15 of your textbook that you are no longer dealing with chord progressions in all the inversions like we used to be doing, right? So it used to be that you have to go and then put a different note in the soprano. And work through things that way. We're no longer putting that down on paper. We still expect you to practice it because it's a good experience for you to practice. But what we're going to do, what we do is we rotate through which inversions you're playing at different times so that you still are practicing all of the different voicings of these chords, even though you're only going to turn in the version that's written down on paper into us at the end of the week. And you'll see exactly how that should look when you look at the demonstration video. So here we go. We've dealt with all of these chords before. We're just putting them together in this combination for the first time. Okay, so we're going to maintain our bass line in the root position. 1, 4, 5, 1. Right hand, we're going to put the tonic in the soprano to start with. And we're just going to move to the closest possible spot. So we have our 1 chord here. And then for our 4 chord, this is going to stay. These two guys are going to move up to there. And then for our 5-7 chord, this stays. And then these two move down so that we get the root, the 3rd, and the 7th of our 5-7 chord in the right hand. And then we go back to 1. So it looks like this. Okay, now for your practice, you're going to take it and put the 3rd in the top of the right hand. And it's going to look like this. So to get to the 4, your 1st and 3rd fingers, 1st and 5th fingers move to get that position, and then to get our 5, your 1st and 2nd fingers play, and your 5th finger stays on the 7, and then that allows you to get right back here. So it looks like this. And then lastly, we're going to put the 5th in the top of the right hand. So now, technically, if we were to look at just our right hand, it's in root position. Everything's root position because of what our left hand's doing, but that's okay. So here we go. So 1, and then our 4. This stays, these two move. And then to find our 5-7, we're going to have the root here. There's our 7th, and then there's our 3rd. So it looks like this. So if I were to do all 3 of these back to back, it would look like this. That's how the major works. The minor is just a hair trickier, right? We got to remember that our 1s and our 4s are minor when we're in our minor key, and our 5s and our 5-7s are always going to be major. The rhythm is a little bit different. Remember, our goal with this is also to get you used to experiencing different rhythms as you play these. So this one, left hand, is as always root position. So this is written in 2/4, which would kind of be bum, 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 right? But when we're practicing, we want to slow it down so that we can see and make sure we got it all figured out. So really, we're going to go about... So we're still rhythmically accurate, just a slower tempo, okay? So minor, here, starting with the root in the soprano, the right hand, and then we go to a minor 4, then a major 5-7, 7, root, 3rd, looks like this. Now let's invert it. Okay, so now we're here, and then we're gonna bring, this guy's gonna stay, these two are gonna move. There's our 4, root, 3rd, 5th, and now our 5, 7 is gonna be major. And there we have it, and then back to our 1. Now, one more time, swapping it so that the 5th is in the right hand. And then, whoops. So that looks like this. That's the idea. Practice both of those and watch the demonstration videos to see what exactly you need to turn in.